traders high. Just a quick update, dash discussion and watch list. I'm still trading with the demo account, obviously. I'm coming to the realization that I will be getting into the challenge. I've got two ways of doing that. Continue to save for the rest of the year, and I'll have enough, or sell my vehicle, downgrade. Look, I'll probably save. I don't want to sell the car, to be honest. I enjoy it. To golfer, it's fun, very fun. So anyway, disregard that. But the challenge I definitely need to, because it just seems that you're not wasting your time. Really got to close it down when I'm making videos. You just don't waste your time chasing stocks that just waste your time. Like, for example, my play on IDXG. Now, that actually did climb a little bit. So I got in at around, that would have been around here or so, when it was at, it hit $1.47, yeah. So I got in around here when it was coming back down, and then I got out low. I would have got out around here when it was climbing back down. Okay, and I might get the minute chart up. I think I've deleted it. What about the 30-second chart? This is going to be interesting. Okay, so it's only showing me. We'll go back to 4-minute chart. And then, I got out, and then I came down again to the $1.30s. So I'm glad that I did, because that had been, a significant loss. And then it's back up again, and then it got as high as $1.52. So that's what I was chasing. I was chasing, 10 cents a share or so. But I mean, I would have had execute perfectly. So what I'm going to do is here, it has, where did that candle close at? Close to $1.40, close at the high. So I mean, that's maybe one to watch. But again, we'll see. We'll see how it opens up, and the news and the press releases that are out on it. Alright, so we've got an MGTI now. We're already on there. So let's just, now we'll just try and do some research on what the stock's doing. What's going on? So it's got here $1, so it's down a little bit pre-market. No, I didn't want to do that. Let's see what's, again, I need to get stocks to trade as well. Oh, it's my friend who actually replied to my message. I'm flying out to Sydney tomorrow for a Forex conference. Alright, so it announced today the Oxford Health plans will cover Interspace's thyroid test for intermediate thyroid nodules effective on August 1st, 2017. Interdeterminate. Okay, Oxford Health Plan, the United Healthcare company, offers healthcare benefits to employees. Oh, okay, interesting. So it's covering this potentially. Oh, okay. So with the addition of Oxford's members, Thyramar is now covered for. Okay, so that's interesting. So it's improved its coverage a little bit for its product. Okay. So it closed. The $1.40 is a significant resistance level, and it's actually closed on it. So it's down a little bit, but it's one to watch if it can bring out another press release, which needs charts and assessments. Okay. Get rid of that now. So that's an interesting one. Again, it's sort of slow moving though. So MGTI was another one that I was watching, and that's actually closed at 193, pretty much 192. So I got to the high of 205. So I was watching for it to break, and I wasn't. It's happening a lot later in the day. I didn't actually get up in the end. So this would have been 3 in the morning for me. So I slept through this, but it's quite volatile. I mean, you can make another play at it again. Potential breakout. I mean, what sort of volumes are we looking at? Not great, but okay. So interesting. So it's up, 16, 17, or 17%. So that one's definitely interesting to watch. We'll also check out Bitcoin just to see what that's doing. Let's sip my coffee at 5, well, quarter to 6 in the evening. Where's the Bitcoin chart? Oh, there it is, right in front of me. Okay, bring this out here just to see. Oh wow! So it's pretty much all-time highs again. 4-hour chart. What about the hourly chart? Pretty clear there. Could be back on. The Bitcoin plays could be back on potentially. Is what I'm seeing there. So an MGTI was a Bitcoin play as well. Let's see if there's got any of the news out or anything. News. Any recent catalysts, perhaps? Let's see. Probably more on the earnings, quarter earnings, press releases, Bitcoin. Might be able to say it because over the weekend it was strong, and then it sort of faded out a little bit the last couple of days, but it's back on, it looks like. So it's interesting. No real recent stuff, but another 192, 193 was the level to watch, so this might be interesting to watch. BTCF, this one's been quite volatile, so this might be on the watch list again as well. It's charting. And then there was NSRPF. I can't actually get that chart on my Interactive Brokers account, so I won't be trading that one. Although it did make a climb up, and then it fell quite dramatically. I was watching. Right, so this is pretty flat. This is probably not as appealing as MGTI. So this one I'm going to keep my eyes on. There was another Bitcoin play as well. Sorry guys, this isn't rehearsed. It's just, this is just how I do things, baby. What was it? There we go. Alright, with BTCS. And it's down a little bit. So that's down considerably. Okay. I guess we'll wait and see, but this one's definitely on my watch list for a breakout play. And if we go to the weekly chart and see, maybe if you can break through 205 again, we'll have a look at making a buy. Hi darling, how you doing? Okay, so on the 15, so 205 was the high, so maybe you buy there, guys. All right, I'll win this one now, but the main focus is MGTI. IDXG, it just, to me, it was a little too slow moving, that's all. So, and with no new press release or anything, it might just be a little bit uneventful. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll upload this now. Bye.